Everything is in now, plus a few other components to qualify for free shipping, of course. These motor controller ICs are smaller than I imagined, especially for $1.30 each. I didn't buy any capacitors because I have some 0805s. However, my largest ones are 1 microfarad, not 10. Hopefully it'll be enough. I assembled one board for testing and it tested successfully. However, the first design mistake presented itself in these tests with the I/O header. Pin 1 has a square pad with the rest of them being rounded, but pin 3 is the common signal ground. This is a minor issue, but if I make a new revision I will fix it. After testing, I made another board up and started fitting it. Ultimately, I'm glad I left the margins I did, but the board will need to be reshaped for future versions. I ended up filing the board pretty much down to the corner holes on all sides and curving in the short sides a bit. Once I was satisfied, I began to permanently affix the board by soldering the battery tabs and motor. The original PCB used plated lands, and that was probably the best method that will have to be adapted for future versions. Despite all of that, the board fit, worked, and didn't get hot from long-term usage. The I/O header stuck out about as much as the switch did, making it look natural, and the current draw was insignificantly higher than the original method of controlling the motor. Unless the brakes were applied, but the old method didn't have brakes. The PWM control does work, but gets a bit chunky around 20% duty cycle, probably because of the gearing and loose rod engagement. The signal lines were tested and worked for both 5 and 3.3 volt logic levels, and now I can fully control the motor from a 3-wire interface to a microcontroller. I probably won't make a new revision unless the current board can't be made to work with these motor types, or if other people have an interest in using these boards for their own motors. But the changes are fairly simple to make, so we'll see. Till next time.